hate how they make face masks like so big for your face. Like, I don't, like, do you see this? I don't get it. Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Marisa here, and a happy prom day. Today is the day of my first prom and my junior prom, and please just ignore my appearance. Like, I'm going to get my hair done right now. My mom is in sheets right now getting me some breakfast, and yeah, so just ignore what I look like. I literally just took a face mask off and I was sitting in Sheetz parking lot with a face mask on. It's really kind of funny. I used one of those pre-glam ones from Victoria's Secret, and like I hope it works good. My skin is super tan right now, so that's why it looks kind of dark, but I might do another mask when I get home, just on like my nose area. So yeah, I've been trying to like really like use masks, but like it hasn't really been working out, so my skin is just not having a good skin day, but that's okay. Also, a moment of appreciation for these nails. I never got like long nails before, and like I'm not even mad at it. I think they look super good. Whenever I get home, I'll show you guys my dress and everything. So yeah, I'm just on my way now to get my hair done, and I think I'm just gonna kind of vlog today, like me getting ready. I never really vlogged before, so it's really exciting. But like I've always wanted to do like a prom kind of like get ready with me, like vlog kind of video. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys do, of course, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for future videos just like these, and to leave nice comments down below. Honestly, I'm kind of bothered because it's been like the forecast has said it's supposed to rain like all week, but it's been saying like Thursday is gonna be the worst day, and then today, Friday, it was gonna like clear up and everything like that. It was supposed to just like rain in the morning today and then clear up in the afternoon. Well, now I guess it moved, so it's nice and clear, not clear, but it's cloudy now and not raining here in the morning, and it's supposed to start raining at 3 o'clock, right when we have to get pictures. So like I'm real bothered, I'm real upset, because there's a really pretty like outdoor location that a lot of us want to go to, like me and my friends, but we can't if it's like raining, obviously. So well, it's like supposed to, there's like isolated thunderstorms at 3 o'clock, then 4 o'clock there's like a 35 or 40% chance of scattered, and then at 5 it's supposed to downpour. So I'll be like in Grand March by then, but like I'm trying to get real cute pictures of my dress, because my dress is really pretty. I'm so in love with it, and I'll show you guys it when I get home, and like a little preview. But yeah, it's light blue because you'll be seeing me in my earrings here pretty soon. So yeah, so I'm really excited. Hey guys, I just got back from getting my hair done. It's just like a cute, simple little updo, real quick, easy. And fantastic news, the sun is shining. Like, it's sunny out right now. I hope it stays that way. And yeah, so really, I like my hair a lot. I think it looks really, really pretty. It's gonna look really pretty with my dress. It's nice and secure. I really wanted an updo just because my dress, oh, I can show you guys that now. Here's my dress. It's just a cute little sweetheart up there, off the shoulder sleeves, and then it's just all this pretty blue lace with rhinestones, and I love it. So yeah, so I am gonna get started on my makeup here pretty soon. I ate breakfast. Probably get some lunch a little bit later, but yeah, I'm so happy it's sunny, because sunshine, pictures, as long as it just doesn't pour when we get pictures, I'll be fine. Like, I can pour rain all at once, like when I'm actually like at prom, but like right now, like just stay. Like, please, sunshine, like it's nice and sunny. I'm so excited. So my skin's looking a little rough, but I'm vlogging. Hey guys, so I just finished up the majority of my makeup. I still have to put on lashes, lipstick, and highlight. So pretty much my whole makeup is done though. Like, my eye look is pretty much all done. My face looks really good. Like, my skin is having a great day. And yeah, so I just want to update you all. My mom went to get me some Wendy's. So your girl's got to eat, because I'm not going to get to eat actually till like, I think 8 tonight. Turn it on. When it's like we're getting served food tonight, so I'm not gonna get to eat for like a while yet. So yeah, I'm really proud of my makeup. Like, I actually like spent a lot of time on it, and I feel like it looks super good. So I feel like in person looks a lot better, but like on camera it's looking a little funky, but in person it looks amazing. So I'm very proud.
Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah. I met this girl at a wedding down in Mexico. Her long black curls, they would follow her wherever she'd go.